required are power source, pressure sensor, LED, and Arduino. It strikes at the blink of an eye. Warning and alert systems need to deliver vital information just as quickly in real times. Earthquake alarm systems can provide warning of ground shaking during an earthquake. The objective is to rapidly detect the initiation of an earthquake, estimate the level of ground shaking to be expected, and issue a warning before significant ground shaking starts.
Earthquake early warning systems are operational in several countries around the world, including Mexico, Japan, Turkey, Romania, China, Italy, and Taiwan. All these systems rapidly detect earthquakes and track their evolution to provide warnings of pending ground shaking. The need for these early warning systems in India is because in these recent years, geographical statistics of India shows that almost 54% of the land is vulnerable to earthquakes. A World Bank and United Nations report shows estimates that around 200 million city dwellers in India will be exposed to storms and earthquakes by 2050.
Basically, how these sensors work.
During an earthquake, a rupturing fault sends out different types of waves. Fast moving P wave is first to arrive, but damage is basically caused by the slower S waves and later arriving surface waves. After that, sensor detects the P wave and immediately transmit data to an earthquake alert center, where the location and size of the quake are determined and updated as more data becomes available. Then, a message from the alert center is immediately transmitted to your computer or your mobile phone, which calculates the expected intensity and the time of shaking at your location.
We will be using a pressure sensor to replicate or create the earthquake effect. Whenever we press it, its value will change depending upon how hard we press it. We will now be using LED as a warning system. This is the representation of our earthquake alarm on Tinkercad. The components used here are this force sensor to replicate the effect of an earthquake, this piezo buzzer that will make a buzzing sound when the earthquake will be there, and this LED light that will flash when the earthquake. Now, the moment the pressure sensor detects any kind of surface movements, it will give indications through the sense of sight as well as sound. In case of any earthquake, do not forget to adopt these three actions: drop, cover and hold to save yourself and your loved ones.